Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the leverage on FBK Markets. So right now we are here on the dashboard, and if you want to show our trading accounts, we click on trading accounts, and then from here you see here your trading account. So right now we are having here my live account, and if you can see, my leverage right here is 1 on 100. Now there's no way how to change this. Now the settings, there's nothing what you can do to change this, also here not. So there is one thing that you can do for this, and that is creating a completely new trading account. So what we're gonna do is we click here on demo, select here on live, platform MT5, account type, let's say a micro account, currency USD, and this is the way how you can change the leverage. So right now you need to be sharp and select here the correct leverage. So let's do 1 on 500, and then we do now create account. And then from now we have our second account, and that is the uppers one. And now you see right here the leverage is 1 on 500. So this is the only way how you can change your leverage. So hopefully this is the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.